Analyze the news. This time we talk about this media blockout is shameful. Fans slam Big Hit for illegally sidelining BTS Jungkook impact despite promoting his success in investor call. On February 26, 2025, Jungkook fan criticized Byte Music following the label fourth quarter earning the conference call during the Hype Q4 FY 2024 earning conference call. CEO Lee Chai Sang highlighted the ideal documentary I'm Still as a major contributor to the company content revenue, generating $18.5 million with 1.3 million attendance worldwide. However, fans were frustrated, claiming that label only acknowledged Jungkook's success when addressing investors and did not promote his achievement on social media. The artist has recently achieved multiple milestones, including 7 making history as the first and only song by an Asian act of the Billboard Top TV Song chart after the track featured in the Netflix EXO Kitty last episode. He was also the most mentioned solo artist in the US throughout 2024 by the Korean culture and the information survived. Fans of the seventh singer took to social media, voicing their frustration over what they illegal was a deliberate effort to ignore his achievement. They pointed to the recent investor conference where his record was acknowledged. Chad claimed the company has repeatedly overlooked his accomplishment in the past despite using his success to appeal the investor. Additionally, Hype 2024 Q4 financial performance report citing the 2024 global K-pop chart ranked Jungkook as the male soloist with the most popular song and the most track on the list by a soloist, securing 4 spot overall, standing next to you and the 7 clean were and 3D. Despite these achievements, the illegal the Byte Music rarely highlighted them in official statement, fueling concern over how the company handled his solo career. And when Jungkook achieved something huge, the next day Byte Beard drops on the article ignoring his accomplishment and instead hyping of his groupmate. Meanwhile, they use his achievement to impress investors, and this media blackout is shameful. Worse karma is coming your way. Others also joined in the criticizing the label for failing to support for the European singer solo career properly. High simultaneously boasting and about his achievement during investor meeting. Despite touting his achievement during investor call, this is how making Korean media article had posted about Jungkook in 2025 January February. Oh, it seems the selective blunder is back on, a fan commented. Not the type to victimize, but the blatant block out of his achievement made it impossible to ignore. It was 7 to be and decently, and almost every day there is achievement milestone for Jungkook project, and yet nada. They are only here to milk him. Another user remarked. Ignore your main moneymaker the whole year. They proceed to brag about him to investor and media. Cool. An ex-user wrote. Some commented that the company does not deserve the golden artist and that he should go to some other company and that value his solo career as well. You don't deserve a star like Jungkook. I have never seen a behavior like this. I think JK really is leaving because nothing justifies this. JK was most streamed soloist, all organic stream, and in Spotify in 2024, other platform too. But you choose an article that does not even mention him, as you ignore all his organic achievement that all credible media writes about. A fan remarked. I also believe JK is living high, bite with the treatment like this. This company is so pathetic and don't deserve Jungkook at all. Another user added, to disregard this, your golden star is becoming more apparent every single day. His achievements are rightfully earned and something everyone around him should be proud of, especially the company that he is part of. The respect JK and acknowledge his achievement, a fan counted. Fan of Ideal have previously accused Big Hit of the trivializing Jungkook's achievement. They pointed out previous instances where his streaming milestone and sales record were either downplayed or entirely ignored. In particular, they referenced the IFPI Global Music Report 2024, which ranked Jungkook's album Golden as the only one by Asian soloist to appear on the global album charts in its anticipation. And his single 7 also became the first song by an Asian soloist this decade to rank among IFP and the best-selling global single. Despite these record-breaking feats, fans claimed the Idol continued to receive minimal promotion from his label. Many were outraged that while Hype proudly cited his contribution to investor profit, they failed to publicly acknowledge his accomplishment. His debut album Golden remained the best-selling album by a K-pop soloist for 2 consecutive years, and 7 has amassed over 2.2 billion streams on Spotify, making it the most streamed song by an Asian soldier. The BTS star has currently serving in the military December 2023 and is scheduled to get discharged in June 2025 along with the remaining member RM, Jimin and Suga. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.